Hey, behind me you can see, now I have collected, so now I'm going to tie it right now. So there is a rope, just that one rope. There also one rope is there, another rope is there. So that one I will have to catch one rope, and that one rope I will have to put it in another rope. Like that. See, you can see how I'm doing hard work. It is not easy to live at village. So for everyone it is a very tough work. For me it is a very easy, and I know that if you come from village, so you must aware that how to do this work. But if you come from city area, so it means you don't know how to do work. It means you that I am intelligent person. Okay, so now I'm going to make it roll. I need now for help one person, so one person came, so now he is pushing. So this one we have to press it as well. I will have to tie this one rope. Okay. Not here? No, behind me. Okay, dear friends, so now I have done it. So now I can make videos, because now I will have to take that one hair on my head. So till now, bye bye, keep watching my videos. Hello dear friends, I hope you all are keeping fine. So I'm also great so far, and today I am also, since morning I have been doing work. Not only me, with me there is one person who is my elder sister-in-law. So we have been doing this work since morning. So now almost we have completed, and actually which kinds of work we are doing right now, and just we were not doing anything. But today, as I told you many times, that over there before 2 or 3 days ago, that time we were harvesting the perry, but this time just we are collecting the hair. Hair means that हिंदी ते होरते तो को मिता जैसे कि गोंड जो है कना बुसुब जो है कना उना तो इंग्लिश तो hair को मिता. So that one hair just now you are collecting. Okay, so as I told you what we are doing right now, and behind me you can see their sister-in-law. She is collecting right now hair. And I told to my sister-in-law that right now just give me 5 minutes for 6 minutes. Within 6 minutes I will try to make them understand as well. I will try to say to them that what I am doing right now as well. Not only I will discuss about what I am doing, but also I will try to discuss a lot of things related to English. I mean that can villager speak English, and it is possible were not. Okay. So I would like to tell you, dear, who comes from village, who doesn't have any kinds of environment as well, who doesn't know anything, single of the words, single of the sentences, how they can learn this language in an articulate manner. But I have a lot of ideas. As I told you previous time also, I have uploaded many times videos on my YouTube channel. And now also again I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna make you understand. Okay. So first of all, you need to focus, you need to make yourself better, that how you can speak this language in an articulate manner, in a better. Okay, so what you need to do that first. If you want to learn this language, so it means that you need to focus much more how to speak, how to make any sentences. Try to watch a lot of videos, and I would suggest you many times, I had suggest you, and now also I'm going to suggest you that see how I learned it earlier. I used to watch a lot of videos as well. I try to I used to watch with help with the subtitle. So that's how I increased and I learned this language. Now that's what I did it, and right now also I'm gonna tell you, I'm giving you. Just try to do it like that. Just try to watch daily basis videos as well. Try to take any small sentences. Just don't try to jump in very hard vocabularies, and just try to take simple very easily vocabularies as well. Try to make simple sentences. But right now I'm not going to tell you, I'm not going to make you understand related to tense, related to causative, related to passive, related to conditional. And I as I told you right now, I spoke it related to a lot of tenses and I know that until unless we try to learn it, a lot of things, those are things we can't speak in an articulate manner. Okay, if anybody comes as well, tells you that could you please tell me, can you make me understand how I can make this, how I can make many sentences like that, but not like that. Okay, so that's why I'm always trying to make you understand, always trying to make you understand as well, telling you that just try to learn it everything. Okay, I have learned it a lot of things, as I told you, whatever I told you, a lot of things I have learned it. But right now, as I told you, that right now I'm doing work. Actually now we are collecting the hair, and just since morning I have been doing this work. So that's why right now I'm tired, so that reason I'm unable to make you understand. But no need to worry. As I told you that in this video I promised you that I will try to make you understand in an articulate manner. Okay, sorry. And right now, because we wanted to take some help of a tractor, but they were told us that right now this time we have a lot of work, so many people were calling to that person, that reason he couldn't come. Okay, that's why today just we are collecting itself. Okay, like that. And right now behind me you can see that my sister-in-law, how she collects the hair. And right now you know there is a rope, very lengthy one rope. It means that 5 or 10 meter, yeah, I think according to me 10 meters it would be that one rope. Okay, so and above that one we have to keep it this one hair. I mean, according to person, how much hair that person can take on his head. Okay, so right now that one is not ready. It means now also my sister-in-law, she has to keep it lot of hair. For me, that one I will keep here, or I will keep on my head with help of this towel. I will try to tie over here like that on my head. Okay, so as I told you a lot of things right now what I am doing. So actually right now I wanted to make you understand a lot of things, but right now I thought that I need to tell you, I should tell you a lot of things. I should give to you how to learn English, as well how to focus much more yourself if you wanna see yourself in a different level. Okay, so try to watch a lot of videos. And because I don't try to make you understand related to, I don't want to make you confused. Because why I will try to make you confused? Because I know that when I was learning, so that time I was also very frustrated as well. Always time I was keep thinking, I used to think that how which kinds of techniques I should have done, then I will be able to speak English. But after made it a lot of mistakes as well, I done it a lot of mistake, then today I'm able to speak right now. Okay, that's why I'm telling you, just try to keep watching a lot of videos, and that's how you can enhance your communication in English as well. You can speak in an articulate manner, better manner, in a good manner. Okay, and like that. And how you can watch it, you need to watch it like that when you watch videos, that time whatever they will speak, I mean on video, whatever they will they are going to make you understand, or what they are speaking over there, and just try to listen again and again, try to repeat it. I mean that I wanted to tell you that, I want to tell you that just try to do shadow practice, and that's how also you can learn it as well. Just try to, where you don't understand. Okay, suppose that there is some person, he speaks about related to tenses or grammar. If you don't understand, so at that time just try to skip it videos as well. Just try to watch with the subtitle as well. Try to watch which word that person used it. But one more thing here I would like to add you, that when you try to watch with the subtitle, not only your focus should not be there where only at word meaning, but also your focus should be at sentence structure. Then only you can understand as well. You can assume that what that person speaks as well, what he is speaking like that. And that's how you can increase your understanding power as well, listening power, like that. Okay, so in this video what I wanted to make you understand, I think now I have done it. I made you understand until now. Okay, bye bye. And one more thing I would like to add here, because see, I am trying to do better from my side. I am trying to give you a lot of ideas. If you think that yeah, really whatever I am speaking, it is correct, it is right according to you, and try, it means that you are learning something. I'm pretty sure that each videos I have had told lot of ideas. I had given you a lot of ideas, and try to do like that, then only you can speak English in an articulate manner. And from my side, watch videos and subscribers, do subscribe my channel as well, make it my channel ubiquitous. Till now, bye bye, have a great day. Hey, behind me you can see now I have collected, so now I'm going to tie it right now. So there is a rope, just that one rope, there also one rope is there, another rope is there. So that one I will have to catch one rope, and that one rope I will have to put it in another rope. Like that. See, you can see how I'm doing hard work. It is not easy to live at village. So for everyone it is a very tough work. For me it is a very easy. And I know that if you come from village, so you must aware that how to do this work. But if you come from city area, so it means you don't know how to do work. It means you that I am intelligent person. Okay, so now I'm going to make it roll. I need now for help one person, so one person came, so now he is pushing. So this one we have to press it as well. I will have to tie this one rope. Okay, Matya, dikhai me. Okay, dear friends, so now I have done it. So now I can make videos, because now I will have to take that one hair on my head. So till now, bye bye, keep watching my videos.